Welcome back guys, Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to check just a quick updates for ICP USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so the main targets, absolutely bullish one and the bearish one, still relevant. I market that gap, huge monthly gap. Basically, we already almost fill it. So the full fill of that gap is $4.96 and 7. So this one. So most likely, yes, we got a chance to see. We got a chance even to see like this one. So we just work with possibilities, guys. So always just build realistic targets. And if you invest some money, count the size of your position properly. Even it's a spot or futures, for futures especially, because there you trade with the leverages. So if we dump it under like $2.74 to the $2.70 just to sweep this low, it can be just like global double bottom. Now it looks like if you traded the classic TA, the people can call it on a monthly time frame like cap and handle. I'm not trade this formation. I'm not trade this patterns. I most likely look where the main liquidity. Now, so this is it. So $5 round number most likely will not hold the line if we'll dump to the $5, right? So because now we stop it at monthly candle $5.81 and we bounce it. Now we form like tiny monthly gap here. So 11.20. It's going to be the full fill of this monthly gap. So yes, we can see even the move like this one. So why not? Everything possible. So guys, I bought the ICP on a spot. We got some news, some updates for ICP. But guys, all this news is priced. It's priced before. Some people scream it, how you can buy the ICP, it's a scam. Guys, it always depends of your perspective. So of course, if you bought the ICP at a lounge, in May 21, listen on the Binance, of course you blame the token, but you should blame yourself, blame the game, not a game, blame the players. So because it was a good time for accumulation. So the people who accumulated here, they already made like 600% gains on that spot, guys. My entry was around here, around that time I accumulated from this down row. Right, and my entry was around like $7 or so. Yes, 7 or 6.90. So yes, I've been in losses here, so it's more than okay. I'm not fixed a profit here because ICP I use for investment. So I'm not trying to chase some gains. Yes, of course, this was my entry. I could fix some profit here, but I didn't know, and I can't know. We going down or we continue rally up. So I accumulated $7, for example, for the targets. So I'm not chase some small profit, if I wait the next target. So what I marked before, so it's 24.37, next one at 37.86, and this target 87. Most crazy bullish scenario, but just to be honest, I don't think so. We're going to hit this target. It's like 164 around middle line of this gap. It's 185 and 200. Of course, we can see a lot of posts like, no, we're going to 500, 1K and all that stuff. I don't think so. So I most likely will start fix a profit at this area. So at least withdraw initial deposit and then wait 87 sweep of the main liquidity pool, right, which will leave it in September 21, sorry, and then maybe leave some tokens to this top because I don't want to try to chase and trying to catch exact top, guys. I'm here to make a profit, so it's always depends of your initial deposit, what you invest for. So now the full fill is not necessary, so we should drop and always make a full fill. So now this liquidity pool, let's mark it like this one and take a look with now with my custom indicator set. The bearish target is here and this one. So this is two bearish pools. So the next step is most likely if we're gonna sweep $20, we're gonna sweep this actual highs like 24.37 on the weekly time frame. Let's take a look with my custom indicator set ADZ direction. What is good? Take a look. All this time period was accumulation. So the whales accumulate during all this downfall. Basically from December 21 from $22. 22, then the warranty on $6.75, then a bigger the warranty even on September 23 at $2.82. So this one. So huge the warranty, right? So even $2.82, right? And now we pump it. This was a distribution zone with the warranty on ADZ. It was accumulation zones. Now we're in the accumulation zone. So what I don't like, yes, we can. Yes, of course, guys, we can. We have all chances to form the craziness divergence, like this one, the big one. Drop again here, higher. Highs here, but lower lows. Yes, but I will be more than okay, guys. Maybe I will add more, or maybe I will not touch it. So the DCA strategy is not a solution. So no need to spend all your money all the time to try and build a better average price entry. No, it doesn't work like this one, guys. We don't have an unlimited budget. Just keep in mind it. So we can delete this one. We're in accumulation. So take a look. Everything more than okay. $5.81. It was accumulation zone. So it was not distribution, but still no signal on direction for accumulation. Take a look on market moon money power. This one, this was a capitulation. Last one, money inflow. So 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row, money inflow pump. IFRIA bearish RSI divergence was weekly at $20.85. So maybe it was a mistake, and I should fix profit, but I didn't because I weighed the target. So I follow my plan. Here is money inflow again. Money inflow was at $7.60. So maybe we'll see one more sweep of this low, a full fill of monthly gap, and new money inflow. Monthly time frame, here was also the money outflow. So this is kind of bad, right? But we can trade long-term period. Here we trade long-term period at this area with the biggest RSI monthly divergence. Imagine the September was a perfect time for entry, almost 600% on a spot. And now we can trade long-term period here and see the money outflow on a monthly time frame. But so of course it was a normal and healthy money outflow after 600% for whales, for the big players. Trade on, take profit. Here a lot of signals to buy. It was just a lock inside a pump, right? On a weekly time frame you could track it, but of course you can see the main signal earlier on a daily one. So it was a confirmation, 43% pump. It was lower one, and the last one was in November 2022. We drop it down, take profit, signal, sell. Now buyback. So we get a signal to buy back. Buy line at this current moment on ICP on a weekly time frame. Yes, it's around full fill, even a little bit lower, $4.93. Buy line on a weekly time frame. So if the market capitulated, right? So yes, we can test it. For the while of this token on a weekly time frame, it's $3.64, higher than previous low. Daily time frame, we touch it here. Perfect test, so penny. Perfect test for the while of this token. Perfect. Now we can test it at the buy line. Of course, we already tested here, but we can retest it again. $6.78, 12 time frame. What is good? The lines start up. So it was a test of the fundamental value on the daily time frame. Signal confirmation to buy on the 12 time frame. Here's sell, buy back. So retest of the buy line can be once again at this sweep. It's $5.72, $4.26. So this is it. So guys, take profit now. It's a local one like 1344. All eyes now on Bitcoin dominance. And all main targets for me personally, guys, absolutely relevant. It's for investment, so I'm not rush. I'm okay to wait. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what is your price target for ICP. If you would like to trade with my customer care, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.